Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Men of War, Assault Squad 2. We'll begin by covering the fundamental controls you need to master. Use the W, A, S, D keys to move your camera around the map and scroll your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Left-click to select units and right-click to issue movement or attack orders. Getting comfortable with these basic actions is your first step towards battlefield dominance. Once you understand the basics, it's time to engage in combat. Direct control, activated by pressing the E key, allows you to take personal command of a single soldier, aiming and firing with precision. Always seek cover, like sandbags or walls, to protect your troops from enemy fire. Remember to check your unit's inventory. They might carry valuable grenades or medical kits that can turn the tide of a skirmish. Beyond direct combat, strategic resource management is crucial for victory. Capturing and holding control points across the map generates reinforcement points, which are your lifeline for calling in fresh troops and powerful vehicles. Keep a close eye on your unit's ammunition and fuel levels. A tank without shells or a squad out of bullets is quickly rendered ineffective. Effective resupply is key to maintaining your offensive. To truly dominate the battlefield, employ advanced tactical maneuvers. Combine infantry, tanks, and artillery for a powerful, synergistic force. Always look for opportunities to flank your enemies, attacking their vulnerable sides or rear to bypass heavily fortified frontal positions. Use the environment to your advantage. Forests provide concealment, and buildings offer excellent defensive positions for ambushes. These tactics will elevate your gameplay significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.